Project pipeline is creative.
Project pipeline is knowledge.
Project pipeline is hands-on.
SF NOMA is an architecture camp. In SF NOMA, I learned how to sketch, build models, and learn how to use scales to build things.
Favorite things at camp are the people you meet, the things you build, and the things you learn.
I'm here because I like architecture.
I am at Project Pipeline because I wanted to learn more about architecture.
Coming back to the camp for me was because I really loved this camp, and it definitely sparked a very big interest in architecture once I started getting into it.
Project Pipeline is a great way for youth to learn about architecture from practicing architects and people that are passionate about it. It's a really good way to get an idea of what being an architect is like, as well as just a really fun way to spend a week in the summer.
As a teacher's assistant, I learned how to really help kids to turn their ideas into like a real life model.
3 things I learned at SF NOMA are how to build a scale, how to build something to scale, how to use a scale, and how to present.
Project Pipeline, I learned the 3 elements of architecture.
Project pipeline has given me ideas to help my community by doing more planning and green.
Things that are interesting and fun about this camp is that we actually get to build our ideas on actual sites that are vacant, and I think it's very fun that all of our ideas can be added.
I came back to Project Pipeline mostly because I really love the energy. The volunteers don't seem above the students, like they're really just helping us, and it's like a partnership, and the way the learning happens. It's very casual, and that makes it really fun to just be a part of.
I just think imagination is the biggest key for minorities because they have massive imaginations that'll create more unique buildings.
With more minorities in architecture, there would be a lot more of a mix of cultures and styles in buildings, as well as not such a huge disparity between the architecture in certain neighborhoods, some being very pristine and others being really dogged down, and it would just be a lot more diverse with designs and a lot more even in terms of the quality.